STD4 EVS 1 to SEM A. Fill in the blanks 1. If we help each other, we can anything. Succeed at 2. Every child must get the joy of learning in school. 3. Deaf people use sign language. 4. Blind people can cross the road using their white cane. 5. Management is necessary to do any work. 6. Coordination must be maintained among the people involved. 7. People elect their representative to the local government body. 8. Waves just like the ones we see in water are produced earth. In the book Bowels of the Nine, if it does not stop raining, the rainwater enters the settlements. 10. People and animals the force of tsunami are helpless against. 11. People get trapped under the roof and die. 12. In summer, there is a shortage of water in many villages and cities. 13. A bullock or a male buffalo is used to turn the Rahat Gadge. 14. Man is more intelligent than all other animals. 15. A mott is a large leather bag. 16. People leave their villages for the cities in search of employment. B. True or false 1. The TV or music should be played at a loud volume. False. 2. We must depend on talismans, amulets, and incantation to cure illnesses. False. 3. Deaf people use Braille language. False. 4. Blind people can cross the road using their white cane. True. 5. Management is necessary for any work to be done properly. True. 6. Detailed plan is necessary for group work. True. C. Match the pairs. 1. To travel far from Earth, a rocket. 2. To carry heavy loads, push cart with wheels. 3. To travel through water. A boat can land. 2. 1. Cyclone, natural disaster. 2. Air crash due to mechanical fault, man-made disaster. 3. Management, proper planning. 4. Deaf people, sign language. Answer in one sentence. 1. What are the part-time of old people? Answer. The pastime of old people are talking to their children and grandchildrens. 2. Whose advice should we take while caring for patient? Answer. Doctor's. Patient. Of a patient should we take while caring for patient? 3. What is the first step in management? Answer. The first step in management is to prepare an outline for work. 4. Why are rules made? Answer. For community life, so that life can go in smooth and orderly months. 5. What kind of rain in winter is good for crops? Answer. Occasional light shower in winter season are good for crops. 6. What is meant by hailstorm? Answer. Rain that falls at times other than the rainy season. That rain we can call hailstorm. Sudden fall of hailstorm that produce hail. 7. What is tsunami? Answer. A large wave in the sea which destroy things caused by under the movement earth, earthquake. 8. Should go for a swim in flood water. Answer. No, we should not go for a swim. 9. What are the different vehicles that man has invented? Answer. Motorcar, bus, truck, scooter, trains. 10. To which diseases do mosquitoes spread? Answer. Chikungunya, dengue fever, malaria, etc. 0.3 Answer in short. 1. What is difference between hailstorm and snowfall? Answer. A hailstorm is more damaging than snowfall. A damages caps hailstorm damages. In the fields, fruits, orchards and also people, whereas snowfall does not cause such a damage. 2. How did electricity make human life more comfortable? Answer. We live in big building and we can get water directly without any work. We also use electric lifts that helps us climb big building without any physical work. Electric train make transport easy. 3. What is textbook used for? Answer. To study any object. Writing our lessons develop our knowledge to know the facts and methods. 4. What to do in school every day besides studying? Answer. We make friends, we study with each other's help. We play together, share our tiffin, take part in school function. Go on trip. Decorate our classroom. 5. Which means of communication can be used to promote the Pulse Polio campaign in rural areas? Answer. Through announcement, television, polio paste, radio, newspaper, all these can be used to promote Pulse Polio campaign. What is solution 1? Your uncle who lived in Buldhana has an old scooter. It gives out a lot smoke when it is started. Answer. Take the scooter to leave it repaired garbage and that the smoke from the scooter does not pollute the air. 2. Your village is uphill. There is a flood in neighboring village. Answer. The people in low-lying areas should be immediately shifted to higher places. They should be quickly helped with food, water and medicine. 3. Meena has to send a very important message to a distant place. Carton. Do you means think she should use? Answer. She should use a text message, email, as they allow for fast other option. Phone call, instant messaging app, courier service.